dear. No. Hello, Santa. Last year, I asked you for a new mother. I behaved last year, and I don't know why you didn't grant me this wish. It's not such a high demand, considering I've put up with her for many years now. When I was 19, I asked for my ex's testicles in a jar so that I could proudly display his lack of balls on my living room shelf. You did not do this either. What the fuck, Santa? I mean, hello? They want me to believe you're this magical person who has these little people working for you, and you can grant my wishes if I behave. Well, I've been pretty damn good, but you haven't granted my wishes at all. I mean, true. I did walk into a Christmas Eve party and shout, "Merry fucking Christmas," but everyone laughed. So in retrospect, isn't this a good thing? Making mankind smile and laugh. And true, I did ask for a different baby brother at one time and was perfectly willing to send him up the lit fireplace for you so you could replace him. But, Santa, I was a child and didn't know any better. Boy, can you hold a grudge. Oh, and shall we discuss the manner in which you leave my presents? You wrap them in the same paper my parents used for my gifts from them. I'm no rocket scientist, but it seems to me that if you live at the North Pole and you have all of these resources to make toys for every boy and girl in the world, then you would have somehow acquired wrapping paper. But you stole my parents. All of this said, I believe I will not be leaving you any milk or cookies this year. No, dear Santa, I shall be leaving you a gift card to Target so that you may buy some fucking wrapping paper. Happy holidays. The one you put on the naughty list, even though she's been well behaved.